Meenakshi Jain. Today we are going to make a waterfall using hot glue gun. So the things you need is hot glue gun, some rocks, some stones, paper, blue paper or glass, and some leaves and flowers. So let's get started. Stones from your house, and then you should use hot glue gun, or you can use normal glue. So let's get started with it now. Now let's do it. This is a hot glue gun. Now you should start using it. So if you see the red light, it means it's on, and you should just wait. And then keep it on the correct side and wait till it sticks, or if it's like coming out, then you put more glue or hot glue. One more thing, be careful while arranging the rocks because it will fall down and you will get hurt, so be careful with that. Now I'm going to do is at the side I'm going to place some rocks, and then after that we are going to do final touch up for this fountain. So come back later. Now you should take a long strip of tape, and then you should place it like the water is coming. So like this. So be careful. You should tape it over here, and then you should put hot glue gun. So that's the next step. So let's get started. So you should on it and start. My waterfall, it looks amazing. Now I'm going to do some touch-ups, like put some leaves and then flowers, and it will look pretty. So amazing. It feels like I'm in a real waterfall place. Look at that small shells, that plants and all. It just touch up really nicely. It is actually a worth it of time, and if it takes lots of time, that's why. I love this, and don't forget to try this at your home because it looks amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to share this to your friends because they will have fun too. So bye guys.